Alright, it's October 10th, 2022. This one here, I got a call from a customer that I replaced a shower valve for him and his wife a while back. It was a real old shower valve that we removed and put a mowing in there. They seem to be happy with it. I think I changed the faucet for the guy back a couple of years ago. But anyway, he's calling me to do the burner service now. I never worked on his burner before. So, I remember he's got like an one of those electric heat pumps downstairs for the water. Heat pump, a water tank type of thing down in the basement. A lot of people complain about them being noisy. Them electric water heaters that are a heat pump setup, they're noisy. So he's not using it for the hot water. But, probably an oil-fired boiler. Cast iron baseboard. Like I said, it's the first time I'm going in to work on it, so nice people. Anyway, go over there and give it the once over for them, I guess. I get a lot of people that say, oh yeah, you should change all the filters and change the nozzle every time you go. I'm at the mindset if the things still get a good oil flow and the filters are still good, the nozzle's brand new, just install. Why would I sell the guy something he don't need? That's my outtake. So I basically replace what needs to be replaced and fix what needs to be fixed and bill them accordingly. I'm not going to bill them for something they don't need. How stupid is that? Oh, I changed all the filters. The pump filter, that filter, that filter, that. You don't need it. Why waste your time? Time is money, and it's costing the people extra money that they don't need to be wasting. That's the way I look at shit. I mean, you got a wimpy oil flow, yeah, you got filters that need to be changed. Change them. But if it's fine, it's getting a good flow out of the pump, and the filters are still good, why go through the effort of changing something that don't need changing? I don't know. That's just the way I process things, I guess. Try to get you some shots. Miss Molly's got a sweater on now. It's getting a little cold in the morning here. Miss Molly. She's 7 pounds now. She's gaining weight. Just took her to the vet. You had to be a little porker there, Miss Molly. 7 pounds. Holy cow. You're living a good life. Yeah, you're living a good life. Yeah. You're living a good life, Miss Molly. It's been a while. 16. You can hear this thing. Yeah. Bucket brigade, it looks like. Brand new oil tank, just 2 weeks old. They just had it done. So, he just wants to clean, just wants to check the burner. This is brand new, 2 weeks old. Brand new tiger loop and everything. All nice and clean. AFG. AF. The fan will go right across if it was an AF. Brand new. I said it's a cold start, so it's only running for heat, it's not running for hot water. $75, $70A. I guess the oil company put in oil tank. We wanted to have it checked. This type of head you could run an 80. Looks brand new. Looks brand new. Look at that. Looks brand new. It's going to be an easy one. It does look like it's getting a little puffed back. I'm going to check the electrodes. It seems to be, I feel like it's getting a little hard to start here. Just the debris around it. Be a little bit on the high side.
How have you been, Steve?
Good.
Is it a mess?
No, actually, it's in pretty good shape.
Not
really.
too bad.
Like brand new.
You said there would be some silt in the, I don't know.
Well, it might. We're going to check that.
We'll get there.
So the shower's working out good.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. Very nice.
Better than that old beast you had, huh? That thing was really old.
I know.
It's starting a lot easier now. You working today too, or you still working from home?
I'm working, no, we have today off. You know today's a holiday, right?
I didn't realize it, but
It's, Columbus Day.
yeah. I don't know if they celebrate that in the towns or whatnot. I don't know. Is that really, is that like a national holiday?
I'm not sure if it is or not. It's,
Some companies might do it.
they changed it over to Indigenous People Day, so it can be politically
Oh, okay, yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
And, you know, Brown
You know the way that is now.
University is very
Politically correct, yeah.
correct.
For the Indians.
Yeah, they're actually, they have land there that is former Native American land, so
Well, we kind of took it all over, didn't we?
yeah, there, you kind of wonder what to think about it, because obviously it wasn't very nice at the time,
No.
but here we are now, and don't know what to, like, they're formulating something called a land knowledge that they have this land. Like, I don't know. But
What's this, your workshop down here?
Yeah, I do some ceramics for fun. It's a nice one, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's probably a little dirty in here because of the way the draft is a little...
Alright, well...
Draft's a little queer. Tell it was blowing back at me, so roll out. Not good. Let's see what we got here. It's probably a little crusty. Thinking, don't look bad. Just the way the chimney is. Don't look bad at all. Got some carbon in there, but not a lot. Get the vacuum and vacuum it. Not really even bad, to be honest with you. Don't have to give it the once over. Why it's not drafting properly. I did check up there, it's not blocked, but I gotta cut this out with a razor knife because it's not closing. That could be our issue. It's not helping it any. Now it shuts. We know it's not choked up, that's for sure. See how it runs now. I'm gonna have to adjust the air band a little bit, maybe give it a little less air. right, probably. One foot bit and check it out. Give it a little bit to get some heat in the chimney. Yeah, we're getting draft. Getting draft over the fire there. Once you set it, it gets corroded on there, it ain't going nowhere. Reset the electrodes so it'll fire easier. Not going to hesitate. Looking good there. I brushed and vacuumed the boiler, which it really didn't need. I thought it might have been because of the rollout. The rollout was the draft door. So we brushed and vacuumed the boiler, new nozzle, reset electrodes, good draft over fire, reset clean out door on chimney. And now the clean out is shutting. It's shutting and it's sealing. Before it was open and it was sucking. It was sucking air in through this. Can't have that. Must have been leaking down the chimney, so somebody put that plastic there. But he's got to put a chimney cap on there. I'll have to talk to him about that. It's a cold start boiler. New Tiger loop set up. All this is fine. It's all brand new. They usually put flexible lines. I don't know why they use this, but whatever. Or something I did. It's good to go.